Over 1,80,000 jobs in Australia in 2025. They intend to choose 1,80,000 new immigrants. Any of these 1,80,000 unskilled Australian sponsorship positions are open to apply for in 2025. This program was created because Australia has a severe labor shortage and need to employ from other nations to make up the fill. People who are willing to work in unskilled and skilled. It is now possible to apply for the fruit picking jobs in Australia within a sponsorship of visa in 2025. Most Australians do not apply for these jobs as the industry is connected to agriculture. Fruit picking is a job that are prevalent employment in Australia, much like agriculture workers' jobs. The use of term workers is well recognized in Australia as well due to the current manpower deficit in Australia's agriculture sector. This is severe labor shortage for the fruit picking employment. They want to fill at least 1 lakh vacancies and maybe as much as 2 lakh positions related to visa sponsorship in 2025. The typical annual salary of a fruit picker is $57,000 or $29 per hour. Your role will be that the fruit picker and the worker is based on the Australia's agricultural sector. Farm workers is not restricted by the age experience. This visa is completely sponsored and existence for the Australian government. Why will someone harvest fruits in Australia? In the previous year, Australian agriculture recruited employed more than 2,200 people for job, including harvesting fruits and fruit picking. Due to the size of Australia and the number of the towns and regions, many lands now their taxes are available. The benefits include no college degree needed, ideal for unskilled employees, constantly accessible, support of accommodation will be made available, assistance with the relocation such as flights. Anyone interested in this fruit picking employment in Australia with the visa sponsorship may apply from anywhere, regardless. Applicants may come from anywhere. All candidates, even those who are not Australian citizens, are allowed. It is important to keep in mind that only those who are the company considered to be qualified for the position. Application come from campaign nations such as Sri Lanka, Indonesia, India, Nigeria, Philippines, Pakistan, Kenya, Cameroon, Ghana, and others. You can come from any country. For many young people, visiting Australia harvesting fruits turn into the must-do activity. Fruit picking season typically begins in Australia in December and lasts till May. How do you apply for this job? Step number 1. Visit the Work Australia Government web page, the official website of the Australian government for the job searching to call for workforce. Many Australian agriculture businesses have posted numerous fruit picking jobs on this website. Many positions are continuously being posted, right? Visa sponsorship as a fruit picker or any other relevant search in the search box. It will provide a list of all the fruits farming related application available for the sponsorship or visa within Australia. In addition, you can apply for the by the visiting seek.com on web page. The most popular employment site in Australia is called Seek, and there are maybe relocate job in Australia sponsorship visa. List of Seek is extremely simple. Along every job description, you will discover a list of companies, and every mine you will see a list of more than 2,341 jobs. Next type of keywords visa sponsorship fruit picker jobs into the search field. Then choose Australia as the destination. Select Australia as a whole. Following that, a list of Australian jobs that sponsor visas will appear.